Part 2 starts right now. Hi YouTube. Hello subscribers and all those people who are watching. Danny has the piece. I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna go to AutoZone, get some RTV, get some get an exhaust manifold gasket, and then I'm gonna put some more stuff together today. So come with me, join me, be right here in this passenger seat. But you can't, so sorry. The older I get, the more I realize how important this and like one-a-days are. Always gotta shake it, but like these, you need your vitamins and probiotics and shit when you get older. I'm almost 30. I need this shit. My body's telling me I need this shit. Let's see how many C8s I can see today. There's one. I can make a quick little pit stop. Oh, hello RB. Hello Skyline. Had to make a pit stop because a buddy of mine is rebuilding his 300 and his car is going to be on the road way sooner than mine, so he needs this and I'm going to bring it to him. Shout out to GK Tech because look at that right there. About to head to Danny's now to get the crank bolt washer and then keep working on the truck. Well, go to AutoZone and then keep working on the truck, so stay tuned. One thing I really like to do is stay in this lane. One, because it's not problematic. I don't have to like fight to be in other lanes. People like pushing me out. So no one really bothers me in this lane. And if you want to ride my ass in this lane, go the fuck around. I'm literally in the slow lane chilling. So this lane will always be top tier. The middle lane too, but only when I have to like get over to let people on. But I love being in this lane because people don't bother me. I don't bother people. You hear that? Ah, it's pollen season. I'm about to freaking destroy my local pharmacist's supply of allergy medicine because I am not ready for this at all. Got him. Had to make a little pit stop because this bitch is an alcoholic and she likes to drink. So okay, we're not going to AutoZone because I have a gift card to Advance Auto. So we're going to Advance Auto. Hopefully they have what I'm looking for. My fucking hair, man. It's a mess. But yeah, going to Advance Auto real quick. So this AutoZone is absolutely the fucking worst one to get to. So I might have to bust a Yui. Bust a little Yui and then go in there. We'll see. You know what? Actually, you know what? Ooh. Made it. We fucking made it. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a gasket and RTV. Gasket and RTV. So I'll be right back. So Advance Auto didn't have everything I needed. And that's why they're low on my list. It's AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance. But they did have gasket maker and I needed that. So I'm gonna go to a different to an AutoZone, and they have it in stock at this one, so I'm gonna go to that one. It's interesting. I feel like Jeeps are usually hit or miss. Anyways, they had my gasket, so I'm about to go to Danny's to get this part, and then keep going. Oh, that is gorgeous. OG wagon. We're off to Danny's to get that washer. It's crazy how one little part could just stop you up, but that's my fault. But I'm gonna go get it, and then make a couple other stops. And then we're gonna work on the truck. We're gonna like work on the truck today. At least finish up what I was doing the other day. All that trouble for this little guy. This is what I needed right here. And I'm so glad Danny had it. So I'm gonna run over to the unit and start putting the truck back together. What's crazy to me is that my car is not even that low. Like not really low at all. And I have to go sideways over speed bumps and stuff. I really don't know how like you slam guys do it. It's absolutely, I respect it like crazy, but holy shit, you guys don't like just cringe every time like your car just scratches everything under. Like you guys probably have like plates under there and shit, but holy fuck, y'all's backs and spines are gonna be fucked up by the time you're 30. Stock Jeep owners be like, I really want to know the thought process behind the new grill on the Beamer. Because I really don't like it. I know it's not personally for me, but like, it's crazy ugly. And love. love. I want like a collection of Beamer wagons. BMW has made the best wagon, arguably, hands down. God, that is beautiful. All right, before you work on your car, you always want to be like, you always want to make sure you eat because you're gonna tire yourself out and you're gonna use energy that you don't have. So I'm gonna go eat. I'm always looking back and forth at this fucking thing. I'm gonna cook out. Super slept on, but they upped the fucking prices. So whatever, who cares? I'm gonna go eat. I got my parking lot by myself. My drink. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to crush. So, want to see a magic trick? Watch it all disappear. One thing I can say I don't like about cookout burgers is look at how much fucking onion they give you. Bro. I need like 1 or 2 of these rings. 1 or 2. Alright, lunch is over. Now time to get some work. Bro! I'm here. I made it. I have to put the hair back a little bit because it might get messy. I'm a little upset about the outfit choice because it's a decent outfit. Everything I need right here. Boom, boom, boom. This is right here. And this goes with... I hate that I'm so unorganized. That. I was like, what the fuck? Yeah. This. Oh my god, everything's here. Here we go. Everything crank related is started. I'm going to put it in reverse so that I can tighten it up. Let me see if I can do... Oh my god, look at that. All this crap in the way. Yeah, I got to put it in reverse real quick. All right, and just like that, it's in reverse. I'm already tightening the crank bolt up. It's a 27, but all I have right now... I have a 27 somewhere, but I can't find it. So I have a 29 right now, and it's working, closing up the gap. But I'm going to get this thing tight and torqued down, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Guess where this is from? Harbor Freight, and it works. So the crank bolt torque is like 104 to 112, so I'm just going to do 107 and tighten that down, and then I'll be right back with you guys again. Crank installed. Next thing I'm going to do is put the valve cover on. So I'm going to get my crescent, I don't know why I cuss so much. My gasket maker, I'm going to put it on there, and then I'm going to grab the head cover. Not bolted down, but look at that. It's not perfect, obviously, but that color kind of goes with, what is that, quarter pound? Kind of like that. I don't know. I wanted it to, even though it's a piece of shit, I still kind of wanted it to look like I put some effort into it. So I'm going to put these bolts in, and then, I don't know what's next. Power steering or one of those two. Figure it out. Whoosh. Look at that. Valve cover's on. I just noticed this while I was putting the valve cover on, but I need to tighten up that. That thing will shake this whole fucking motor. Destroy my mount. So tighten that up, and I'm going to probably put some more of the accessories on and stuff. So, okay, mount is tightened. I got to take this to Lowe's because there's a couple of them that don't grab over there. I think the top of the threads are kind of messed up, so I'm going to go grab like a little longer ones so they don't have all of this. But now, what I'm about to do, since I have this and all my exhaust bolts, I'm going to go up under the truck and connect the exhaust right down there. All right, got to lay out Old Faithful, old Christmas wrap, because I am in a Nike hoodie and some decent pants and some decent shoes. So, let's try not to mess anything up. I feel like I'm in a cave every time I'm under this fucking truck. It is claustrophobic. But that's what I need to do right here. Got my studs in there, got my gasket, got my bolts. I just need to move this into place. All right. Had an issue, solved it, and then immediately ran into another issue. The gasket I have does not fit that. It's a little too small. I don't know if it's for the 240. Had to cut some more of that pipe, which is why I have these boys on. Safety first. So I'm going to run to some stores after I do a little bit more and then come back another day. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know when, but I'm going to come back and then finish this up. So you have 2 of them in stock? Yep. Cool. Perfect. I will be there about 5 minutes. Gonna pick them up. Thank you. So I got to run an AutoZone. They have 2 of those flanges, or those gaskets. So essentially, they're like little metal rings that go against each of the exhaust holes or whatever, and then they squish together. I was hoping I could use the other one, but I guess the other one might be for the 240. So I'm gonna go grab that real quick, and then should I go to Lowe's? I'm gonna go to Lowe's too. Boom, we're back. These are those metal rings I was talking about. Hopefully they work. I'm gonna try these real quick, just while I can. I'm gonna hope that this grabs a little bit more than the other one did. I think these 4 are the ones that don't grab, so grab 4 and boom. I'm gonna replace those real quick. Not gonna bore you with these details. Okay, that's all tightened. The gap is closed. If this doesn't fit, call me Eminem because I'm gonna fucking lose myself. Please, 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 let this fit. It's absolutely not visible from up here, but the exhaust flanges fit. They fit. I'm about to go up under and finish up the exhaust, and I'm going to put the AC compressor on, power steering pump on, and I'm going to call it a day. I might put the fan on too. Okay, so the bolts are started on the exhaust. I just have to get I gotta get a swivel and another extension. And then that'll be tight, and then keep them going. All right, the exhaust is on the truck. Nice and solid. Flanges on there, nice and tight. Now I think oh my god, did I rip that mount? Oh man. Looks like that mount is ripped. It's a brand new mount. That fucking sucks. Shouldn't be too bad though. Now I think I'm done under the truck, so I'm gonna get from under here. All right. Before I leave, God. Yeah. Okay. Before I leave, I'm gonna put the AC compressor on, which goes right here. I'm gonna put the fan on, which goes right there, and the power steering pump, which goes. Not gonna lie. Don't know where the fucking power steering pump goes. Maybe like down there. That was a bitch to get on. But compressor's on. Got a little dirty, but that's what happens when you work with cars. Pressure's on, exhaust is on. Got to throw the power steering pump on and then the fan. And then I'm gonna call it a day. Because I'm tired. All right. I had to run to the other unit to grab this, the power steering bracket. Don't lose that. Do not lose that, guys. But I'm just tightening up the bracket right now. Ow! Gosh, that hurts. Power steering pump's on. AC. Power steering pump's on. AC compressor's on. Fan's on. I think the fan's on the wrong way, though. I think the fan is on the wrong way, so let me fix that real quick. All right, guys. Now I'm wrapping it up. What I forgot was this. Not this. This. This pulley right here. Completely forgot it. It goes back in between the hook to hoist it up and the bracket that goes to the power steering pump. So now everything is where I want it to be. Also, this was not backwards. I was just wrong. But yeah. Power steering pump, idle pulley down there, AC compressor, distributor, alternator, oil pump. This is on. So all I have to do now pretty much is to get a couple hoses, like block off hoses, get some of these hoses routed up and everything, and then do fluids, and then the fucking that over there. Fuel tank. But look at it. The KA is actually coming together. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for sharing this excitement with me. And I will see you guys another time. Hopefully with some more progress. Say bye-bye. Bye, Beamer. See you later.